Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and turning on Wi-Fi because downloads use data and tide settings. Make sure battery is above 50% and storage has room. Once done, open Google Maps and search the town, route, or place you plan to use offline. Next, tap the place card or the menu, then choose Download and drag or pinch to frame the exact area because the map size determines detail and file size. Now configure the download. Pick a size. Higher detail gives better search and navigation, but costs more megabytes, so preview the estimated MB. After selecting area, name the offline map so you can find it quickly, and toggle Auto Update if you want fresh data. Make sure Auto Update is set to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. Then check Settings, right arrow Offline Maps to confirm progress, edit boundaries, or delete old maps once you no longer need them. Use the downloaded map by opening Google Maps while offline. You can search places and navigate turn by turn, though satellite imagery and live traffic may be limited. Once done with a trip, make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi occasionally, because offline maps typically expire after about 30 days without an update. If a download or update fails, clear the app cache, free up storage, and retry on a stable Wi-Fi connection. That fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.